Hello traders. Caroline Lezon here at Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, March 6th of 2012, and we are getting ready to do some technical analysis here on our Q's chart as we always do. So let's get started. Check this out. What a big down day here on the markets today with the Q's down 0.98%. And the other thing that we see here is that we are falling far below the 8 moving average, which you see here in green, which is at 64.34. So that is a magic number for you to pay close attention to this moment because we are far below it, which means that this 8 moving average is acting as a pretty significant area of resistance at this moment. Okay, that's how important it is for you to watch it really carefully. And the other important thing here is that we have that gap. We are gapping down this morning here, and we still have that unfilled gap right here. Okay, so what we need to really pay close attention to is that upper area of resistance right here at about 63.86. That is a significant area of resistance, as well as the low of yesterday, which was at the 63.99. Because if we ever decided to go back to that low of 63.99, then it would be a perfect gap fill. So that's why those areas are really important for you to watch tomorrow, okay? And then also the 8 moving average, because what could happen here is that we could try to fill that gap here, and then also we could try to push it all the way back up to that 8 moving average. We could try to test it here and then pull back down, continuing lower, breaking through the low of today, which was at the 63.23. So that is what we could see happening. But if we do not fill that gap or try to push it all the way up to the 8 moving average, we could continue lower, breaking through the low of today, which was at, again, 63.23. And then once we break through that low and it close below it, we'll have some more potential to the downside, to the next area of support on our way down here, 62.10. Okay, so that is 62.10. You should have that area of support already drawn on your chart. If you don't, please do, because it's very important. All right, yeah, so that's what we have here happening on our chart. And then check this out. Look at the MACD. Beautiful down move on the MACD. We are getting closer and closer to the zero line with a bigger negative tick, which is a pretty nice confirmation. We're continuing lower. We're heading south on the MACD, which is a good sign. Okay, and volume, same thing here with volume, is increasing. Okay, we are dealing with some increase in volume right here, and we are a little above the average, which is good. We're trading on a pretty significant volume right here. So all of those things confirm that down day that we had here on the chart. So that's what you want to see. So first, look for tradable setups on the Qs on the chart, and then look down at the MACD to make sure that is going in the same direction, and then also move down and look at the volume to look for some spikes in volume, which would give you a better confirmation. All right, yeah, so that's all that I have for you for today. Safe trading to all of you, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.